There's one. Oh, that's a big one too. Wow. 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 This is a monster. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So as you can see behind me, the river is coming up. It's high and muddy, which means a lot of these fish should be pulling close to the bank, which works great for bank anglers like myself during the winter. But I hope you like this video. Caught some pretty good ones, and we're gonna keep on fishing. Please like, please subscribe, leave a comment below. Let's see what happens. All right, good morning. As you can see, the river has come up. I just checked the river gauge. It's at 13 feet. I think it's supposed to come up like another foot. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can find some smallies or anything that wants to bite for that matter. It's pushed up shallow. I'm gonna throw around this Pit Boss. I got a North Branch tackle, 1/8 wobble head, 4/0 hook. That's something big, something to get noticed. Let's see what we can make happen. But if I start to get hung up and stuff like that, I'll probably switch up my bait. And I have just straight fluorocarbon on right now. So if we end up snapping off a lot, probably just strip that off and I braid down a little bit lower. Come on. First cast already snagged. Well, there's one bait gone. Retie. Put a leech trailer on here, the North Branch tackle jig. As you can see, it's orange, watermelon, and a little bit of black. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the boat finally got bailed out. No, it's not my boat. Oh, just got bit right there. Definitely just got a bite. Pulled my skirt down, or I mean pulled my trailer down. Okay, that's what we've been looking for. That was a solid bite too. Freaking heart is pumping. So just because you never know what you're gonna freaking hook into. So that was a strong bite. I don't know if you guys can see that. There are thousands of minnows underneath that log right there. I'll make a couple more casts here, then probably switch to a different spot. We know there's at least one here. There's one. That's a big one too. That's a nice one. Get up there. There we go. I knew there was one in there. Decent one there. So when I set the hook, it was just solid. Just getting cleaned off here, get the leaves off. There we go. First one to start the day. I'm stoked about it. That's a long one there. Hey. Took about 48 casts. We finally got one. Let's let her go. I don't know if that was the one that bit me originally, but nevertheless, we found one. I'm just using this North Branch tackle jig. And a Nikko leech on there. So one reason I go to this a lot when the river's murky and muddy and high is just that orange really helps it stand out. Sometimes I even throw a rattle in my plastic too, but today we're not. There's one. Feels like a decent one too. Yeah, it is. It's a real nice one. Just leaving him up. Snapping it. Oh, nice. Bank flipped him. Absolute beaut. Look at that fish. Golden bronze. I do want to get a quick length of this one. Let's grab a quick length. $19. Nice. This is why I love fishing. It's at the high water. More look at this beautiful smallie. Just let them go, let them grow. Thanks for biting, bud. Alright, let's see if we can find some more. What a sick day so far. And the way that I'm retrieving this too, I'm slowly dragging it. I'm also giving it, like I said, some very slight hops. Just to try to give it a little bit of action down there in the bottom. Plus, if you get leaves or something on it, it just helps get debris and everything off your jigs. So obviously at the river coming up, there's a lot of debris, leaves, sticks, everything getting washed up. What the heck? Freaking broadhead. I wonder if there'd be a broadhead down here. Got your broadhead, sticking it in a tree for you. Come get it. Alright, well I snapped off my other jig. So still using the football head, North Branch tackle. And then I have set a little pit boss on this one. And the head I painted chartreuse to help it stand out a little bit. So this murky water should help a little bit. We'll see what happens. There's one. Oh, that's a big one too. Wow. 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 This is a monster. Wow. I don't know if I'll pick this up. Oh no. That was a mega. Shouldn't have freaking bank flipped it, but I didn't know how to get it up. Dang it. Guys, that was a monster. Oh, dang it. That was my own fault. I gotta get a net. I never thought I'd say it, but I need to get a net for this. I am shaking. That thing was massive. That might have been another 5-pounder, to be honest with you. All right, so unfortunately we just lost that giant, but I'm gonna try over here on this side. That sucks. Again, that was my own fault trying to flip him 10-pound fluoro. So it's just the bank's so steep over there. There's no other way I could, unless I bent down, but it's all said and done now. We live and we learn. Jeez. I mean, we caught some good ones, so I have to take it for what it is. But yeah, I should have been smarter than that. I should not have tried to bank flip them. Learn from my mistakes, guys. I should have just bent down there and got them. It's just the heat of the moment. Adrenaline was pumping. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys appreciated the video. I hope you like it. Please hit that like button. Please leave a comment. Please consider subscribing if you're not a sub already. But yeah, we'll try again tomorrow. Till then, stay fishing, stay anchored. I'll see you guys soon.